Me hear someone that talk to me I run down spice. But me telling you something. Me not run down nobody way but myself. But the difference with me, I acknowledge people. I'm a people person. And what turn me on don't turn you on. No spice, not for acknowledge me. But me acknowledge her as a fellow Jamaican because she put in a hard work. Me not give a to her at me. Why answer back to my comment. I don't give a fly. Spice make me. Spice not for your own world. I mean, in my own world. And it's because you know bad mind and I feel like sir, when it's hard, everybody's to observe them own character. Me nah look no friend no big bringing and no spice is spice and queen is queenie. Two different female, two different character. Me up on the internet and if I ever that me a gear. So if you don't want to sit down and after me and take me for a mockery. Bad mind because you know why I forget up undermine but she put in a lot of hard work. Any girl who say put in hard work, I'm forget them props me I give them. Me no want nobody give me no ball and laugh after me and my husband. I'm sure no. One man to my goodie that I do it. Spice done well. I don't give a flag for my spice. I don't think I can love what I have. I'm a care, I'm a tenderness. Me is just a people person. And I am very appreciative. So I don't know appreciate I don't know why I feel like I cry. I don't like, no go! Leave me alone. Me loving and me caring and that's me. And me love me man. Love this is who I love my song. Me love it. You understand me? Anything me do, me love it. Love me, man. Understand yourself and provoke people and judge people for the wrong thing. No, me as a strong. No. A woman, I say woman power. It's spice. Why I think thing in my head? I said, my black car yesterday, you know, the woman that trouble me, you know. Cause me that go send up on a neat gear. I remember, and I say, yes. I thought she made me feel yesterday. And I just went over her DM and me that go I hold my computer because of experience and things where I think love spice now feed me now close blood acknowledgement. You hear that? When me there 30, when Rachel 30th birthday, I was there in Mexico and Spice come to England. She and her dancer them pretty rebel and the whole of them. Bobby, the whole of them, when them in the room, they was reciting my words. And if you leave that acknowledgement, Spice come here and Spice and me do what she have? She come here one September, one August like this, for the month here. If I'm telling about white people, you saw me telling about white people, you saw she pull up and say, what you doing? Don't park there. You so long me sit down here for park here, she can pass, you know. But she pass like me, I sure no. People just love text that time. Back to Spice now. Spice come to England the 6th the August. For sure and she'll keep the after party with me. Me get one set of Jamaican flag and one set of British flag for her. Me have it for me post me and Spice. And she come and she do a little performance. It wasn't that great, but we still have a journey. I mean, appreciate that. When Spice there in our current team, Spice meme, my depression video. Me depressed. Everybody meme it, she meme it. As me say when me there in Mexico, they meme something. So when you not gonna come make bad vibes, you can't bring no bad vibes and say no bad vibes to me. Miss Race Spice as she not even say Queenie. That's what me take up on my head, my bird when me feel comfortable with. Because it's not who you love, you know. It's not who you know, you know. It's who know. There's a difference. Me rate her for who she is enough. I don't like compete, I don't like problem. Me not depend that to the know. Me own a person, I'm own a lane, do my own a thing. And it's not to compare with nobody on a go. Leave the woman alone, man. Go and go make new blood. Papa tell me I find a route to me about Spice, you know, and I tell me if I come off a woman page. Let me put myself on. I don't allow me. On the like make mischief. And so you call me and tell me this thing. I have my own advice, my own vision, my own thoughts. All of me turn up here say you say you know like that girl I'm like her. I say me like her, my own business. And no matter how I love. Can't tell me nothing like who me like. That's me. None of you can change me no matter what type of white, sir. Love me, man. Love a girl power myself. And girl for support girl and a bad minded nothing controller. No controller spots, no controller. I mean, a go man. I can't controversy, no one say I'm bad vibes. When I come in, I'm a blood. Maybe the mascot of I like it. It turned man. And I was the wickedest thing. I some non-progressive people do them something there, you know. That's enough found out. I don't easily give up. I don't have no motivation, no confidence. I don't know fighter. And when I don't see me, I don't recognize what the word. I don't find no acknowledgement. I don't just want to see me as one madman for laugh after me. I undermine the positive power within me. The true queen were there and stand up in on do it don't want me. How you want? Me want to do it. And that I think. I'm glad me want him. Because if in the I mean I want him, there would be no do it. Remember? Because me want him, I don't know him. So my business if him want me. I'm married to my greatest thing that him can do. Married to the queen. You know what you do, youth? For married to the queen. You know the measures and steps that you're taking in life, youth? My husband, man. All I want to tell him so before I'm married to me. Him could have not married to me. I know something to tell him before I'm married. I know understood I tell him things. And the greatest thing my husband is husband. I mean, I want to get him out. I mean, I want to not get him out. So, no love me and my husband. And if you need go, create one journey for husband, man. I think every woman forget a little married chance. It's nice, you know, the little married tiger. Every time you remember that girl. It's nice. Come, one them two them spies put me up on her period. That them a customer for. I not even know some spies put me up on her. You know man I gonna abuse me for my own advice. Me not even have spice number. So man how you take that so awful and I tell me for come off a spice page. What? Go over spice, go tell spice say you feel some type of way. Spice, I feel some type of way, so you put Queen Vice on face by your page. Take it down. You understand? This for me. What's going on though, fam? Love your energy. Thank you. So if she puts you up. Not you, Queenie. Oh, I mean. No, I get what I yesterday. Go brush your teeth. I might teeth and brush and can't brush. I said them say them brush already. No matter what you no matter how I brush them, I saw them yellow. Me have yellow teeth. Thank God you are look. No matter how yellow my teeth them is my mouth not stink. Some of the teeth white like a shark and a breath and tongue thing. Well, I'm not brushing make them yellow. God want them yellow. Look if you're not gonna see them have a color. I like to discriminate people. I wake up and bathe and brush I'm glad the way I run out of the house and no lotion, I carry the toothbrush in my teeth when I don't know the go. Tell me say she's in a brush now. You with I remember when you brush your teeth, you have to brush your gum. Yes, sir. Not you have to brush up your sir too. That officer can smell them part, yeah? Mm-hmm. Yes! Personal hygiene, me. No matter how chaka on the thing is, but full of personal hygiene. Don't try that. Tell me, is what color you see? Same your teeth. Enough people teeth black, some not have none, them have mind the gap. I'm glad me have yellow teeth and I still can smile a while and give you my own a flavor, my own a vibes. You understand? I comfort myself. By the way, what Duffy Magnum there? My just want to let you know. I put it on my page. As I done talk to him, I look see. Yes, I are crazy. Some of me have 1 2 hour job. I work now, but I have driving right now. Then I have a 2 hour job to go to all purpose. Well, Megan, I want him. I want to talk about Megan, the royalty. Megan, a hot girl. Mama Jamaican, you see, black stand out anywhere. We always stand out. When say anywhere in the world, you go find one Jamaican, you go back. Because we're unruly, We're the bad slave. Anywhere in the world, if I have one Jamaican, I go represent.